How to change Discovery Plus video playback quality. To change your Discovery Plus video playback quality, first of all, go ahead and launch the Discovery Plus application on your device, or simply open any web browser of your choice. Now, once you open it, head to the Disney Plus application. If you are on web browser just like me, you simply have to log into your account, then start playing any video. From there, over the video player control bar, click the gear icon in the bottom right corner of the player. Click the quality option. From there, you can select your preferred resolution. Now, if you are on mobile devices and the application, you have to launch the Discovery Plus application, then tap on your profile icon once again and open the account settings or app setting menu. From there, locate the video quality or cellular data uses. From there, switch it to highest quality. Now, every TV shows should stream at the highest quality within your Discovery Plus application. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.